Hey guys, it's Robert Hall, and in today's video I want to talk to you about all the other products that I saw coming from Godox at Photokina 2018. I already made a video on the most prominent news coming out of Godox at Photokina, and that was the new round head speedlight hybrid flash. One little note I want to make about the new round head flash that's coming from Godox. Francisco Hernandez, myself, we sat down with the owner of Godox as well as representatives from both the engineering team and the sales department to discuss some of the feedback that you guys have given us regarding Godox products. We talked a lot about usability and the feedback that you guys have said, but I did want to confirm one thing, and that is the twist lock will be gone on future speedlight flashes. They are going to move to the switch lock. Hallelujah. If you guys don't know what that is, like the switch lock is what you would find on a Nikon SB5000, SB910. It's just a simple slide over and it's locked. Your flash is now locked in place. That is going to be on future products, including the round head flash that's coming from Godox. But despite having email communications with them regarding some of their products and testing, it was so great to actually sit down and meet with them. And I'm so excited to tell you guys that they are like really listening to the feedback that you've given us, that we have then given to them, and they're going to use that information for decisions they make on future products. So I'm so happy to have that line of communication with them so that we can make the products better for all the people that choose to use their equipment. So now on to the other products that I saw at the Godox booth. The first two are things that we know are in existence and in the works, but I just wanted to update you on a timeline for them, and that is the accessory kit for the round head flashes on the AD200, as well as the adapter kits for the new AD400 Pro. Both of those are done. They've seen their first production run and they are making their way over here. So those, if you pre-order them, they should be shipping very soon. Those round head modifiers are of course going to work on the AD200 round head, which is already available in the States at Adorama, and they're going to work on the future round head flash as well, as I demoed in my last video. The adapters are interesting because they're making it so that the AD400 Pro can be adapted to accept Profoto or Broncolor or Elechrome modifiers. And I think this is a really smart decision because a lot of people are interested in the Godox lineup for its really diverse lighting setup. The AD400 Pro hits a sweet spot for a lot of people, and I think that by making it adaptable, it's just making it easier for people who are already invested in other systems to quickly, efficiently switch without losing their ridiculous investment in Profoto or Broncolor modifiers. I think the Profoto is the most interesting adapter. I know a lot of people love Elechrome products as well, but Profoto, you actually get the benefit of being able to zoom it and being able to carry that functionality over to a light like the AD400 Pro is really awesome. Speaking of that, something that I saw for the first time there, and this was the first time that I heard about it, was a Profoto adapter for the AD200. Now this was a really simple product that detaches on and off. It clips on really easily, doesn't add a lot of weight to the product, but then you can put Profoto modifiers on the AD200 with any of the head. The bare bulb, the Fresnel head, the round head, it works on all three of them.
Profoto, apply directly to the Godox.
I think it's most interesting on the bare bulb because Profoto doesn't really have a bare bulb solution for those on the go, on location style lights that they make. They all have a recessed bulb, so it'd be interesting to see the light quality that you get out of the bare bulb with Profoto modifiers. The next interesting thing that I saw was USB chargers for all these lithium-ion batteries that Godox makes. So with these USB chargers, you plug them into the wall, you charge them up, and then you can put them in your pack, take them to go, and they hold a charge. And if you need to recharge one of your batteries on the go, then you can do that. I saw this for the V350, for the V860 version 2, and for the AD200. I'm not sure on cost or capacity how many times you can charge a battery using one of these. It might be a one-time thing, but if it's substantially cheaper than adding another battery into the mix, then it might be a really good decision if you're concerned about the capacity of your flashes. And the last thing that I want to talk about is their new bicolor flex LED panels. This was the first time that I've seen these. There's a few other people who make these style of flexible LED panels. but they're really great because they can be so compact to set up, extremely lightweight at the end of a stand, while all the power is off panel, so you can put that on a belt, lower on a stand, or whatever you want to do. They're extremely portable, which is the point of them, and we saw 3 sizes of them. Here's a quick look at them.
Looks like there's going to be 3 sizes of it. There is the 60, the 100, and the 150 size. The 150 looks double the size of the 100, and the 100 looks double the size of the 60. So you've kind of got like base size, 2 times the size, 4 times the size. And they're all bicolor, and you can adjust those bicolor in increments of 100.
Alright guys, that's all I got for you today. Let me know if you have any questions about these new products in the comments below, and if you have any feedback on any Godox equipment, then go ahead and list that in the comments below, because hey, they're listening. I want to be able to pass off as much information as possible to make their products better. Speaking of the word Godox, for anyone who chooses to try to correct me on the pronunciation of that word, here's this.
Okay guys, it's Robin Francisco, and we are with the sales manager, Katrina, and we're going to answer the question once and for all. What is the name of the brand?
Godox.
Godox, not Godox?
No.
Godox. See? Quit telling us or we're wrong.
Like this video if you enjoyed, subscribe if you want to see more, and until next time, keep on shooting, YouTube.